Hello, and welcome back to the abode of unity. Welcome back to UwU Series, the best anime manga ever. It is day 11, episode 11, August 15th, 2019. Why do I sleep on the floor? One, it is really good for your posture and any type of back pain or soreness. So I've noticed this personally, especially since I like to be active and I try to work out at least every day. I sometimes get sore. If I sleep on a couch or a bed or something like that, my soreness is just times 10. But when I sleep on the floor, I get very little to no soreness at all. Like, in fact, I don't really get any soreness anymore at all. Also, it's really good for your posture, like I said. So it keeps your body aligned, keeps those chakras aligned, keeps your energy aligned, which all in all, it balances the body and promotes good health all around. If you have any type of back pain, that will immediately go away within a couple days of sleeping on the floor, which was really cool for me. Another reason I sleep on the floor is because of how useful it is. Well, for one, I just need my sleeping bag and I can pretty much sleep anywhere. I actually prefer sleeping on the floor than a bed now. The floor is literally more comforting for me. I've been sleeping on the floor for like a couple months, I would say a year on and off. Probably like 4 or 5 months ago, I stopped sleeping on my mattress altogether. So it's been about 4 months, I would say, that I've been sleeping on the floor, and now it's so comfortable. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, it's adaptable. I can even sleep in my car if I want to. I just lay out the seats, plenty of room in there, and I'm thinking about road tripping, so you might see that in the near future, which will be really cool. But yeah, I can just sleep in my car, which is amazing. All I need is a pillow and that sleeping bag, baby. Sleep on any floor, anywhere. Another reason, like with the posture and the balancing the body and aligning your body, it's really good for natural REM sleep. When you sleep on the floor, your body doesn't heat up as much. The best thing you can do for good sleep is to actually be in a really cold room with a blanket over you. The more cold it is, the better. You know, not too cold, but the more cold, the better with the blanket, because your body's temperature likes to drop down, and that's really, yeah. When you sleep on the floor, it produces minimum heat, none at all. So you get a nice, full, restful sleep. My initial inspiration for wanting to sleep on the floor was actually based on Asian countries. Well, I mean, if we're being serious, anime, and then I looked into Japanese Asian stuff. They basically sleep on the floor as well. They have these type of mattresses that are more firm and they're really thin, and they're called tatamis, I believe. Yeah, so, if they do it, and they're pretty smart people, if they do it, then I gotta do it too. Initially, it may feel weird to sleep on the floor. It'll be a little discomforting. All you really need is just like something thin layer of cushion, like a blanket folded a couple times, or like my sleeping bag, something like that, and you're good to go. That's all you need. The less in between, the better. And I would say it takes a couple days to get used to, possibly up to a week, like 4 to 7 days. Now I don't even have a mattress to sleep on anyways if I wanted to. Now that I've gotten past that hurdle, I think of like 3 months, it's super comfortable. I slept on the couch one night out of this past 4 months. I woke up with back pain. In the beginning too, for comfort, what you can do is stick a pillow underneath your knees, and so your knees are a little bit elevated. You'll notice a difference in your lower back when sleeping on the floor with that. That's what I did for a little bit, but I moved so much in the night that, it didn't really matter anyways. I highly recommend trying this out for at least like 7 days. You could even look at it as like a challenge yourself, but I promise you, if you stick with it for, past 7 days, for a month or whatever or more, you will be so happy. I sleep so well. It's just made life, so much easier. Also, if you do get used to sleeping on the floor, you can then sell your mattress and make some money, baby. If you've enjoyed this video, if you enjoy my content, check out my Patreon. I have a bunch of tiers on there and benefits for people who become part of the fame squad. Also a bunch of bonus content on there. At any rate, I truly thank you for just watching this video. It really means a lot, and a simple like and comment can go a long way, or just sharing this with somebody, sharing with a friend, family, dog, cat, kitty cat, rat-a-tat-tat. It seriously goes a long way and it helps me out a ton. It helps me to be able to continue to do this and make videos like this, and it improves my content. So truly thank you. You might as well subscribe because YouTube doesn't even promote subscription videos. You have to click the bell to get notified so that the video actually pops up on your YouTube page. Might as well subscribe, and if you do like the content, then you can click that bell. As always, much love, peace, and abundance to you, baby. Feeling the energy, feeling the life, riding the wave. Yeah. If you made it this part of the video this far, congratulations. You win a brand new car. I just want to say thank you, and you're awesome. The more watch time I get, the better, and the better I get, the better. So since you've made it this far, the secret to the universe and to unlocking full potential and power and amazingness is